Welcome, my friends, to a world of endless possibilities. Today, I have an incredible strategy that will take you to new heights of financial freedom. It's time to put your trust in the power of OpenAI and ChatGPT to create a passive income that will keep on giving. With this incredible strategy, you can make anywhere from $2,599 to $4,500 per month and even up to $50,000 a month using ChatGPT. And the best part, ChatGPT will do all the work for you. Before we dive into this groundbreaking strategy, I want to make sure we're all on the same page here. Please smash that like button and let me know your income goals for 2023. Are you looking to make $100, $500, or even $1,000 per day? Comment below and let's make those dreams a reality. Now let's get to the good stuff. This strategy is all about Udemy.com, a website that's chock full of knowledge and opportunity. Udemy is a platform where course creators are making thousands to millions of dollars every month, and with this strategy, you too can get a piece of that pie. First off, let's take a look at the different niches you could apply this strategy to. From development to business, personal development, lifestyle, health and fitness, teaching and academics, the opportunities are limitless, and once you've found the niche that resonates with you, it's time to let ChatGPT do all the heavy lifting. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds. With its help, you can create courses and content that attract traffic and generate revenue on autopilot. And the best part? You don't even need to worry about finding traffic or leads because ChatGPT will do all of that for you. Let's take affiliate marketing as an example. When you type in affiliate marketing on Udemy, you'll find countless courses with ratings and the number of people who have bought the course. For instance, an affiliate marketing course on ClickBank has 8,612 reviews and is selling for $79.99. With a little math, we can estimate that the course creator has potentially made over $368,000, and that's just one course. Imagine the earning potential if you applied this strategy to multiple niches. If you type in affiliate marketing on the website, you'll see that the average monthly revenue for affiliate marketing courses on Udemy is around $2,776, and that's just scratching the surface. With ChatGPT by your side, you can create courses that stand out from the competition and generate even more revenue. Now let's dive into the juicy part of the strategy, shall we? ChatGPT can generate an entire course for you, from the course structure and description to the course content as well. All you need to do is provide a cover image and you're good to go. But you might be wondering, how is this even possible? Well, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate human-like responses to text prompts. With the right prompts, you can use ChatGPT to create entire courses on Udemy without having to do any of the actual work yourself. It's just that simple. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to create your course. First off, create a niche. The first thing you'll need to do is create a Udemy account and choose a niche that you want to create a course in. Let's say you want to create a course on affiliate marketing. Create an API key. Next, you'll need to go to the OpenAI website and create an API key for ChatGPT. This will give you access to the language model and allow you to generate text prompts. Generate content. And now it's time to use ChatGPT to generate the content for your course. You can start by giving ChatGPT a prompt such as "What are the basics of affiliate marketing?" and it will generate a response for you. You can then use that response as the basis for a lecture in your course. You can continue to use ChatGPT to generate more content for your course until it's complete. Publish and promote. Once you've created your course, you need to publish it on Udemy and promote it to get students. But here's the beauty of this strategy. Because you've used ChatGPT to create the content, your course is completely passive. You don't need to do anything else to maintain it, and because Udemy handles all the traffic and marketing for you, you don't need to worry about driving traffic to your course either. Now you might be wondering whether the strategy is ethical. After all, you're using an AI language model to create content for a course, but as long as you're providing value to your students and teaching them something useful, there's nothing unethical about it, right? And if you're upfront with your students about how you created the course content, there's no reason why they wouldn't want to enroll in your course. In fact, there are already people using this strategy to create courses on Udemy and making a lot of money doing it. For example, Rob Percival created a course called the Complete Web Developer Course using an AI language model, and it's generated over $15 million in revenue with over 400,000 students enrolled. While your earnings may not reach those heights, the potential for making a lot of money on Udemy by creating passive courses using ChatGPT is certainly there. That's it for today's video. Meet you in the next one, and until then, goodbye and keep making money.